All right, next question, question 2, is to find the coefficient of x5 in x squared plus 2 over x to the power of 7. Okay. Now again, we are going to use a specific term. So let's write t k plus 1 equals to 7c k, x2, which is a, to the power of 7 minus k, and the second term b, 2 over x to the power of k. Okay, so we're going to write out in terms of x. Alright, so that's going to be 7ck x to the power of 14 minus 2k times 2 to the power of k times x to the power of minus k. So we are actually going to look at, where do I get a red color? Okay, so we're going to look at this one and this one together. Okay, so we need to make sure the x is to the power of 5. So therefore, we say 14 minus 2k minus k, that needs to equal to 5. Okay, so therefore, 14 minus 3k, so 9 equal to 3k, alright? Okay, so therefore k equals to 3. Okay, so now we can say the coefficient of x to the power of 5 is 7c3, and we also have 2 here. Okay, so now we're going to have, say, that times 2 to the power of 3, which equals to 280. Okay, that should be your answer. Alright. Okay, next question, we are looking at the constant term. Okay, so that's question 3. Constant term, in this course, sometimes we use the terminology, say the term that is independent of x. Okay, so constant or term that is independent of x. Okay, just going to go to the next page. Alright, so the first question we have is 3x minus 5 to the power of 5. Okay, for this one, it's quite obvious. The only constant term should come from this number. Okay, so which would be, so constant equals to negative 5 to the power of 5. That's the last term, alright, which is negative whatever. So when x to the power of 0 term, which is last term. Okay, so second one is when the first term and second term both has x in it. Okay, so 3x minus 1 over x cubed to the power of 8. Alright, so we need to find a term the x actually cancel out, which is with each other. So if we write out the expansion, that should be k equal to 0 to 8, and we use bracket notation. Okay, 8k, and first term is 3k, so we write it as 8 minus k, and 1 over x to the power of 3 to the power of k. Okay, tidy them up. k equals 0 to the 8. Okay, so 8k, 3, 8 minus k. Oh, that should be x here, okay, not k, x. Okay, so now we've got x to the power of 8 minus k, and also x to the power of negative 3k. Okay. Now we can see the term. Oh, maybe write one more. K equal to 0 to 8, and 8k, and 3, 8 minus k. Okay, write x to the power of 8 minus 4k. Okay, so the term is independent of x is when 8 minus 4k equal to 0. Okay, so therefore k equal to 2. Okay, so what's the term? We go to the next page. Therefore, the term is 8, 3, what 3, 2, 8, 2, k equal to 2. So 3 to the power of 8 minus 2. Okay, which equals to 8 factorial over 2 factorial and 6 factorial times 3 to the power of 6. Alright, so we tidy that up. Cross this out, cross this, 8 times 7. Okay, so we've got 2, 3. So it should be that, cross that out, 4. Okay, so 4 times 7 times 3 to the power of 6, which is 20,412. Okay, so that's the term. Alright, now the next part is looking at the product of two expansions. Okay, we have that question there. I can't remember what the question number was. Anyway, it's the expansion of 1 plus 5 over x to the power of 2 times 1 minus x to the power of 8. Okay, so the first part is looking for, we need to write down the expansion. Okay, the square is easy. 1 plus 5 over x squared is 1 plus 2 times 5 is 10 over x plus 25 x squared. Okay, so 1 minus x 8. I'll write down the first one, 1, and then no, 8 is outside. Okay, so I'll write in detail, plus 8 minus x, okay, and then plus, that's 8c2, we go to the square term now, so first term minus x squared, and 8c3 minus x cubed. I think that's all we need. I'm just going to use dot to show the rest of it. Okay, so part B, we need to find first the term independent of x, basically constant term. Okay, so constant term should equals to what? So if you look at the first one, the constant term should have 1, and then times the second one, give you that constant term. Alright, and also the second one wish I can change color. Second one would be this one with x in the denominator, but if you times the x, these two x cancel each other, that give you another constant term. Okay, and also that's x in the denominator. If you times x squared, and these, that should give you another constant term. All right. Well, that's finished for the first one. Okay, so the constant term we should have should be 1 times 1 and 10 times negative 1 and plus 25 times, okay, that's positive 8c2. Okay, that should be a constant term, which equals to 621. All right, so next one we're looking at the x term. Okay, the x term comes from the first one being constant and second one being x. Okay, so if you okay, I have to write that again. I'll write this down. 1 plus 10x plus 25x squared. Okay, times 1 minus 8x plus 8 factorial, 2 factorial, 6 factorial, x squared minus 8 over 3 factorial. Sorry about dog barking. Okay, now the x term, we should have the constant times x, and 1 over x times x squared. Okay, and 1 over x squared times x cubed. That should give us the x term. All right, so I'll just write down here. Equals to 1 times negative 8x plus 10x times 8 factorial, 2 factorial, 6 factorial, x squared, yeah, plus 25 x squared times negative 8 over 3 factorial, 5 factorial, x cubed. Okay, so that gives you the x term. Okay, so it will be negative 8x that's 5. Okay, this one cross out 8 becomes 7. Okay, 5 times 8, 40, so 280x, and this one 25. Oh, you can work it out, all right? Minus whatever. Okay. The answer should be negative 1128x. Okay. I'm going to stop the dog barking too much.